The reliable RLB400 double coin tire is known for its unrivaled durability, performance, fuel efficiency, retreadability, and easy maintenance. The double coin name ensures you'll get an exceptional product. Equipped with advanced technology and premium materials, the RLB400 is made to offer long-lasting durability and dependable performance. Its unique tread design and rubber blend gives superior grip for enhanced safety, and its low rolling resistance improves fuel economy, saving money and decreasing carbon emissions. The RLB400 also boasts superior retreadability for cost savings and added tire life, making it a smart choice for any fleet. Never worry about maintenance or inspection again. You can stay on the road with minimal downtime and maximum efficiency. Visit doublecointires.com and learn why so many choose the Double Coin RLB400.